The solution which my team has made is called the construction site dust remover. This solution which we have made is a machine that not only removes the dust from the surrounding atmosphere in a construction site, but it also blows the filtered air onto workers, reducing the amount of heat they experience and giving them pure air. In this machine, it first works by using a fan that first pulls out air from the surroundings. This is stage 1. In stage 2, the air goes through a filter which then filters out other pollutants and dust particles. In stage 3, this air soon moves through a plastic pipe which then moves in a downward spiral while being connected to a hollow metal cylinder called a cryogenic core, which contains a very cold substance, ideally ice gel pack. And after stage 3, it moves on to stage 4, which is the last stage, in which the cooled air then goes into a second fan and is blown onto the workers.